Is your project management tool simply getting in your way? Does assigning simple tasks seem like an endless chore? Does creating tasks take up most of your time? Do you constantly switch from keyboard to mouse, risking serious finger injuries? Do you curse the gods for lumbering you with a terrible project management tool? According to the 2017 World Health Organization Finger Health Report, the 3 most common causes of finger injuries are DIY carpentry, hand-based sports such as baseball and chess, and filling in tasks in poorly designed project management tools. But there surely can be a way to ease this process, huh? There is? Introducing hashtags by VivifyScrum.com. Our hashtags make even the most tedious project management seem like a summer breeze. Clickety-click and you've instantly defined your item, added custom labels, assignees, and even reviewers, using nothing but your keyboard and your trusty hashtag feature. If only life itself could be this easy. Sign up for free at VivifyScrum.com, and for a limited time only, order 2 scrums and get 1 Kanban free. What a day! I'm smiling, and you can be smiling too with VivifyScrum.com.